solve the operation of function in addition. So we have the given of f of x is equals 4x squared plus 3x minus 1, and g of x is equals 6x plus 2. So before we solve it, we have a formula, which is the function of f plus the function of g times x is equals the function of f of x plus the function of g of x. So first we have the substitution, which is the f of x is 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. So we plus the g of x. Next is we have to combine like terms. So we have 4x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 2 negative minus 1. So the step which is simplify. So bring down the 4x squared plus 6 plus 3 is equals 9x. Positive 2 minus 1 is negative 1. So this is the final answer.
In this video, we're going to show the operation of function in subtraction. So with first, we have the given. The given is fx is equal to 5x plus 25. And the g of x is equal to 4 plus 12x. So before we solve this equation, we have the formula, which is the value of f minus the value of g times x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So first, we need to substitute the f of x and the g of x. The f of x and the g of x. So we have the f of x, we have 5x plus 25. Copy the sign, and then the quantity of 4 plus 12x. So next step is we need to copy this 5x plus 25 minus negative times positive is equals to negative 4. And then negative times positive is equals to negative 12x. So next is we need to combine like terms. So we have the 5x. We have the 5x minus 12x plus 25 minus 4. So we have the like terms. So next is we need to simplify this. 12x is equal to negative 7x. Then we have the 25 minus 4 is equal to positive 21. Therefore, we have our final answer, which is negative 7x plus 21 is our final answer. This is the formula of the multiplication of function, which is the function of f times the function of g times x is equal to the function of f of x times the function of g of x. So we're gonna solve it. First, we have the step 1, which is substitution, and we're gonna substitute the value of f of x, which is the 4x squared minus 3x minus 1, and we're gonna close it by quantity times 2x minus 5. Now we're gonna solve it by distribution or FOIL method. 4x squared minus 2x squared is equals to 8x cubed times 4x squared minus negative 5 is equals to negative 20x squared. And then 3x times positive 2x is equals to 6x squared. And then 3x times negative 5 equals to negative 15x. Then negative 1 times positive 2x rather equals to negative 2x, and then negative 1 times negative 5 equals to positive 5. And for the second steps, we have the combined like terms. Then we should combine like terms. We have 8x cubed minus negative 2x squared positive 6x squared minus 15x minus 2x plus 5. And we're gonna move to the steps 3, which is the simplify. X squared 8x cubed minus. So we're gonna move on to the steps 3, which is the simplify. So bring down the 8x cubed. Then simplify the 20x squared plus 6x squared equals to negative 14x squared. And then 15x minus 2x equals to negative 17x. And then bring down 5. So this is now the final answer of our multiplication of function together. And now we're going to discuss about the division of function, and here's the given function of f of x equals x squared negative 4 and g of x equals 5x negative 10. So now we're going to substitute the f of x and g of x, which is x squared negative 4 over 5x negative 10. And this is how we get this x plus 2 and x negative 2, because x times x equals x squared, and positive 2 and negative 2 equals negative 4. And 5x negative 2 equals 5 divided by 5x is equals x, and 5 divided by negative 10 equals negative 2. And now we're going to cancel out the same value, and we have only here x plus 2 over 5. So we're going. This is our final answer.